name's Paul. I'm the executive chef at the Méridien Bali Jimbaran. Basically, in our restaurant Bamboo Chic, we want to bring street food to the table, and also some foods from Bali which you don't see around so much. So in turn, we've been working with a lot of the villages up in Ganya and Budugal, learning some of the secret recipes. Obviously, we've travelled to Malaysia and Singapore to learn some of the dishes from the famous hawker stores over there, which in turn we're going to bring into the restaurant. How I became a chef was completely by accident. I was a bad boy at school and I got expelled. I was looking for something to do and I took up a pre-vocational course thinking it was going to be a bludge, but I ended up falling in love with cooking, and after the 6 months of my pre-vocational course I took up an apprenticeship, and that was 15 years ago and never looked back. Best thing I ever did. The Chef's Video Profile is brought to you by Let's Eat Magazine, your culinary guide. Out.